Hey, the 71 just got back from Portland.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. I think I would like to get everybody down here right away, and we need to figure out where we're at. So the 71 Cuda just showed up from the Dipper up in Portland. We've been waiting all summer for it to get here. It doesn't look like any more metal's removed from it, which is a good thing, but we can see everything now. I'm surprised the metal's still pretty dense. When we got the 71 Cuda back, the 446 barrel from American Metal Cleaning up in Portland, I was pleasantly surprised that all of the metal it went in the vat with, it came back out with. A little thin up there, a little bit. From a structural standpoint, it was no worse than I thought it was when we first took the car on. Some areas are better than others, so. So we're standing inside there assessing the condition of the car. I'm there, Royal's there, Josh is there. Guess who's not there? Have you seen Darren at all? Has Darren called you? Has Darren called you? This is one of the things that I just hate about him. He says he's gonna be there, he's not there. He doesn't care. He puts no importance on anybody's stuff but his own.
I figured you'd talk to him.
No, he just doesn't return phone calls, that's his problem. So I'm searching around for Darren. The guys are searching around for Darren. We don't see him anywhere. We look out front, his car's there. Huh, that's weird. I tried calling him, no answer, but that's typical for Darren. One of the guys on the camera crew says, hey, isn't that Darren over there? I look up, and he's at the garage sale next door. Is that actually him over there? Yeah. Hey, Darren. Didn't mean to trouble you, but we're starting to work on a car over there, so I was wondering. Probably looking for some kind of a rolled over, kicked in toy from 1984 for a penny for one of his grandkids. How you doing, man? So does the fact that we need to get some cars done today mean anything to you? Does it matter to you at all? Yeah. Just go to work. What I want to know is if we can save any of this frame rail, and if so, where we're gonna splice it at. Like right there, I think there forward, I could fix that. And when you have a car that's this bad, it's just imperative that you save as many pieces of the original metal as humanly possible. But I think we can save the outer one. Then we could put the nice new quarter right up against it and use it as a form to fit the quarter to. And this roof is just gonna be, heat shrink, dolly and hammer, heat shrink, dolly and hammer. You know, after the car's been back now and I've had a little bit of a chance to look it over very carefully with good lighting and crawl around it, it's obvious to me that the car is a little bit better than I thought it was when I started. I was worried that when it came back it would be worse, so I had put in my mind a lot worse of an imagination of how it was gonna come back. But now that it's actually here and all the paint's off of it, it's better than I had hoped.
Did you find anything good in the car left? Truthfully. Well, this is going to be a very difficult car to repair. This car's got more wrinkles than a Shar-Pei. There's not gonna be anything left of the car that's original.
You thought when it came back from the Dipper that all the metal would actually be straight again, too.
I honestly think Darren is trying to be a pain in the ass.
Jeez, what a piece of junk. It's not too late to not start.
I think he does know that the car is actually gonna turn out very well.
I think that Darren is equally as happy as I am about the project.
The car will look great, but what expense, not only mentally or physically, but what is it gonna do to the people that are working on the car? That's what I'm worried about.
Anything's possible. Is the glass half empty or is the glass half full? Depends on how you look at it and how hard you're willing to make it work.
The fact is, this car is very restorable, and yeah, it's a lot of time and a lot of money, but we're gonna do it. That's what we get paid to do. You may not like it, but that's what we get paid to do.